how to sign in to Nike. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. You can either log in from the Nike application in your mobile device or simply log in through Nike website. Here I will show you the steps through the Nike website, but you can also follow the same steps in your Nike application too. So first of all, open up your Chrome browser and on the search URL type in nike.com. Now you will land on the official web page of Nike app. Now to log in, navigate to the top right corner. There is a profile icon next to search icon. Tap on that. Now to log in or to join, first of all you have to start by entering your email address. So make sure you enter your correct email address. Then tap on continue. If you don't have an account yet in a Nike app, here is how you can create an account. But if you already have an account yet, after you enter your email address, you will be asked to enter your password. Enter your password, and once your email is verified, you will be logged in to Nike app. And that's how you can sign in to Nike app. And thank you for today's video. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon, and see you on next tutorial.